We're broadcasting today from VU Bistro in Fountain Hills, and I have the pleasure of welcoming the one, Nate, the only, Heidi Hake. Heidi.
Hello.
Welcome to the show. How you doing, dear?
Great, thank you.
Good. So, this is quite a place.
It is.
It's well named too, View. We've got a great view. When you look at the video in a week or so, folks, on one of the video channels, you'll be able to see the view I'm talking about. This place is well named. And we'll get more into the view in a bit, but let's talk about Heidi first, okay? Are you an Arizona native?
I'm originally from Wisconsin.
You're originally from Wisconsin, okay. And what brought you to Arizona?
Well, my mom got a job in Arizona when I was about 10.
When you were about 10?
Yes.
Okay.
So.
And what kind of work was she doing?
Teaching.
Teaching. Okay, great. So you came out here, what, between 4th and 5th grade?
Right about there.
Yeah. Okay. I bet it was a little bit different than Wisconsin.
A little bit.
Yeah. But you decided to stay when you grew up.
Yeah, I actually moved when I finished high school. I moved to California for a while, and then Hawaii and a couple different places, and then moved back to Arizona.
All right. So how long did you live in Hawaii?
About 6 months.
Ah, I lived there for 7 years.
What island?
Oahu.
Yeah.
Lived in Honolulu, and I lived in Alaska for a couple years. So
beautiful.
It's I love Alaska in the wintertime, Arizona in the summertime, because that's how extreme the temperatures are, in either direction. You will either respect the environment or it will respect you. And if you don't, it will let you know that it's not happy with you. Keep talking. So, VU Bistro. First of all, have you always been in the bar and restaurant business?
So I've always been, since high school, in the restaurant industry.
Okay.
And then we switched it to the spa industry.
Ah.
So we actually opened up the VU pretty much as a salon and spa. Small restaurant.
Yeah. I saw the sign for VU Salon as well. And is the VU Salon still running at the moment?
It is not. It's pretty much all being switched over to restaurant right now.
Is it? Okay. I thought you might have some fun with that. And, get them a couple margaritas and then send them into the salon.
And that's what we did. It was really fun. The girls hung out, went shopping, had spa services, had lunch on the patio, and it was a really great business. But we decided to take it to another level and just focus on one. And with this beautiful patio, 3,000 square feet patio, there's a lot of things we can do with that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this place is gorgeous. It really is.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So how long have you been here now?
We're going on 18 years.
18 years. Wow. How did I not know about this before?
I know, right?
Yeah. Of course, like most people, I think of Fountain Hills as being down the hill.
Right.
And more like where Fountain Boulevard is, where Saguaro is. That's Fountain Hills. But Fountain Hills has grown a bunch over the years.
And we're right on the border of Scottsdale and Fountain Hills, so we're right as you come into Fountain Hills.
Yeah. And so there's Eagle Mountain.
Eagle Mountain
Golf Course is right here.
And Fire Rock.
When you're coming to VU Bistro, folks, you definitely want to catch the sign for Eagle Mountain Golf Course. And then you turn north off of Shea, and you can't miss VU Bistro then. It's real easy to find if you get on the right road. Now, we were talking about a number of things in gearing up for this when we first arranged it. There were other things you were telling me about VU Bistro, about the bar, about the clientele. Let's talk about them a little bit.
So we have a very nice local clientele base, but yet we get a lot of tourists because of the view. So it stays pretty busy. We do live music on the weekends. We do a lot of different dinner specials, drink specials.
Okay. And so do you get many of the snowbirds coming from?
We get a lot of snowbirds.
Yeah.
A lot of Canadians.
People coming to and from the casino, I assume.
Yeah.
Because Fort McDowell's not that far away.
No, it's not.
And, of course, you want to try to catch them on their way to the casino, so they have plenty to spend.
Or if they've won on the way back.
Or if they won, yeah. Yeah, well, that's where you put up a little sign. Hey, if you're on your way to the casino, welcome. If you're on your way back and you won, welcome. Yeah.
Or if you lost a lot and you're depressed, we got cocktails.
There you go. Yeah, and, well, hopefully you didn't lose everything so you can afford a cocktail, right? So, what gave you the idea for the concept of the salon with alcohol?
It's fun. It's fun having a glass of wine or a champagne with your manicure or pedicure or massage.
Yeah, I can see that. Of course, I'm a guy, so the whole mani-pedi thing is a little lost on me. And I just learned not long ago when we did a broadcast from a lingerie shop that there's apparently more to sizing for, full-figured women than numbers and letters. There's apparently physics involved, and I'm a guy. I didn't know that. Things you can learn when you become a radio host. And I tell you, folks, it's just amazing. So, what are your plans for the future? You're gonna fill out where the salon used to be, where the spa used to be, and turn that all into bar and restaurant too?
Yeah, so over the last 8 years, it's been in progress of growing the restaurant, and we're almost completely restaurant.
Okay.
We have probably another 6 months to finish the outdoor patio, and we want to do an outdoor kitchen out here and start doing more events and parties.
Okay. That's very cool.
Yeah.
I'm going to check with Christina here for a minute and see where we're at as far as how much time we've got left on this segment. 4 minutes. Thank you. Now, let's talk a little bit, and we're going to have another segment later on with the chef. And didn't you tell me one of your entertainers was going to be coming?
Yep.
Yeah, Bill had told me that he's seen the jazz player.
Yeah, he's very good. He does a great job.
Tommy Holloway.
Great
Tommy
entertainer.
Holloway.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is Tommy. You were talking
Tommy
about him
Holloway.
earlier.
Yeah,
Yep.
Tommy Holloway.
And is Tommy going to be stopping by as well?
He's on his way,
Okay.
and he plays Saturday nights up here.
Okay. So we'll have a chance to talk with your chef and talk with Tommy.
Yes.
On the ending segment, because you've picked that one up too. A smart lady. Get as much attention as you can and get 2 videos out of this. So that's perfect. Tell us a little bit about, not so much the menu specifically, but the kinds of food on the menu.
So it's a scratch kitchen. Our chefs are very, very, very good at what they do, and they do weekly dinner specials. We do everything from homemade chips and guac to New York strips and fillets. It's a lot of variety, and they do a lot of local cooking now, so working with a lot of the plants of the desert, cactuses of the desert, and Kenny will be telling you a little bit about that.
Okay. So more or less local food.
Local, yeah.
Okay. So, because with the name Bistro, one might think that you had a bit of a French cuisine, although a lot of people are calling German restaurants and Italian restaurants bistros now. Kind of takes the French out of bistro. But so it was hard to kind of gauge what the menu was going to be. And now you were talking about the renovation that you had done.
Yeah, so we had it's a TV show. It's going to be a before and after a remodel show for TV.
Okay.
I can't say the name of it right now, but it will be on 150 countries.
Okay.
In 23 different languages, so we're really excited about that. It's a documentary series of travel, and we're actually the only restaurant they picked in the lower 48 states.
Okay. Cool. Now, real quick, your address.
14815 East Shea Boulevard, Fountain Hills.
Okay. Phone number?
480-375-8670.
And website?
VUBistro.com.
That's VUBistro.com.
Yep.
Perfect.
Any specials?
Got any specials going on? You know what? We're going to talk about the specials when we come back with the
Kenny.
chef and with Kenny and with Tommy. Okay? Once again, this is the Phoenix Network. Thanks for being here, Heidi. Thanks for
so
hosting
much.
us.
Yeah.
Excellent.